Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are doing great and you all are getting lots of knowledge from this series on most important SQL commands and DBMS concepts for your interview preparation. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic in SQL, that is null value in SQL. Yes, it is a very important topic because if you understand what is null value in SQL, then you will be able to understand the table structure better and the data which is residing in the table. Okay, because inside a table there can be some records or some fields which are having a null value. So you need to understand what is the significance of this null value and how we can give this null value inside the tables in SQL tables. Okay, so before moving on, I would like to request every one of you to kindly subscribe to our channel and consider pressing that bell icon for regular updates. So let's get started. So what is null value in SQL? See, a field or an attribute means the table columns with a null value is a field which is having no value. Means if in a table in any particular column, if there the value is not present, okay, if you don't give any value to a particular field of any record, then we say that that field is containing a null value. Okay, if you don't give any value to any particular column, then that will be considered as a null value. Okay, now if that field in a table is optional, means there is a mechanism in SQL by which you can say that okay, this field must be optional, means this is nullable field or non-nullable field. Okay, so that option is in your hands, so you can possibly give that field is nullable or non-nullable. Okay, so if it is nullable, means you can give no value to that field, so it is possible for you to insert a new record or update record. Okay, so without giving any value to this particular column which is nullable, it is accepted by the SQL. Okay, so if a particular field is nullable, you are free to not give any value to this field. I hope you got this thing right. Now therefore this field will be updated with a null value, so directly SQL will update that particular field which is having no value by a null value. Okay, so this is the significance of null value in SQL, right? So let us understand with one particular example so that this concept get clear. Okay,
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
so suppose I am having a customer table. So this is our customer table and we wish to insert a new record now. Okay, but in that we don't want to specify the city value. Suppose this city column, this city field is nullable. Okay, the values is not mandatory inside this column, right? So we need to insert a new record and we don't want to specify the city value in that. So what will be the query? The query will be simple. You just need to write insert into the customer table, values will be 1004 and Krishna, but haven't specified the city column because it is not mandatory, because it is nullable. Okay, so what will be the output? The output will be something like this. So SQL will provide a null value inside this city column, right? So this is only accepted when the column is nullable. Okay, means the column value is not mandatory, then only in that case only this can be done, else it won't be applicable, right? I hope you got this concept. So there are more concepts which you need to understand in null value, so let us get to that thing.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
So suppose there is a question to you during your interviews that okay, tell me how would you test for null values? Means how would you find that a particular column is having null value or not? How will you test that? Okay, so what will happen is it is not possible to test for null values. Okay, so this must be your answer, that we cannot possibly test for null values using comparison operators. Okay, like equal to, greater than or less than operators. You cannot use any comparison operators while checking for null values of any particular field. That is not possible. Then how would you test for a null value? See, you will have to use two functions or two operators in SQL, that is null operator and is not null operator. Okay, so if you give is null operator, if you use this thing, then it will find all the records which is having a null value, and if it is not null, then you need to use is not null. And how would you use that? Okay, let me give you the syntax for it. So the syntax will be something like this. You need to write select all the fields from table name where column name is null. Okay, means you need to select all the fields from this particular table where column name is null. Means if this particular column is null, means that it is having no value, then that particular record will be generated as the output. Okay, I am repeating again. Suppose this column which you have specified here is having no data. If it is having null value, then this condition becomes true, so that particular record will be generated on the output table. Okay, but how would you use this is not null? Similar way, you need to use like this: select star from table name where column name is not null. Means if this particular column is not null, means it is having some value, then the condition becomes true and that particular record will be generated on the output. Okay, I hope you got this concept. There is nothing to understand more in this. So this is the thing: if the column is null, then we will print that. If the column is having some value, then we will print this in these two queries. Okay, so I hope you got this concept. If you have any doubt, kindly comment down below. I will definitely help you out, and it's my request to you that kindly share this video with as many friends of you as you can, so that it reaches more people, and it will keep us motivated for bringing up new videos like this. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.